How to avoid burnout? Get 7 types of rest. 1. Physical rest. Lack of sleep and overtraining deplete your body's energy. Get 2 types of physical rest, passive and active. Passive: sleep 7 plus HRS nightly. Take power naps as needed. Active: stretch, get a massage, use an ergonomic chair plus desk. 2. Mental rest. Mental rest deficit is caused by overtaxing your thinking. Write down your 2 do's. Reference checklists, packing, groceries, etc. Create a shutdown ritual to separate work and life. Take a break from problem solving. Meditate. 3. Social rest. Evaluate your relationships. Spend more time with people who give you energy. Spend less time with people who steal your energy. If you're an introvert, block out time to be alone. 4. Spiritual rest. Be part of something bigger than yourself. Volunteer. Work a job that feels purpose-driven. Participate in faith-based activities, if aligned to your belief system. 5. Sensory rest. The modern individual is overstimulated. Take a break from social media. Turn off notifications, sounds and visual alerts. Limit video meetings. Set a relaxing evening ambience, soothing music, candles, etc. 6. Emotional rest. Emotional rest deficit occurs when you feel like you can't be authentic. An airline attendant who must always smile despite rude passengers. Spend time with people you can be authentic around. Try speaking with a therapist to release emotional labor. 7. Creative rest. Appreciate beauty in any form, whether natural or human created. Natural. Take in a sunrise or sunset. Go for a walk in nature. Human created. Visit a museum or art festival. Engage with inspiring music, books, documentaries, etc.